Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy these videos, don't forget to subscribe. I share content that's easy to follow and worth your time. Let's get started.
Accepting the Steam subscriber agreement is a necessary step for every gamer on the platform. This legal document outlines your rights and responsibilities as a user. You usually encounter this agreement when you first create your account. Start by downloading the Steam installer from the official website. Open the application and select the option to create a new account. Enter your email address and choose your country of residence. Steam will send a verification link to your inbox. Click that link to confirm your identity. Return to the Steam app to finish your profile. You will see a large block of text. This is the subscriber agreement. You must scroll through the entire document to show you have viewed it. Look for a small checkbox at the bottom of the window. It usually says you are at least 13 years old and agree to the terms. Click this box to check it. The Continue or Accept button will then turn blue. Click that button to finalize the process. Sometimes Steam updates its terms for existing users. A window will pop up when you log in. Do not ignore this message. You cannot play games until you accept the new version. Read the summary of changes if you want to stay informed. Scroll down to the bottom of the window again. Check the box and hit the Accept button. Your account is now ready for use. You can browse the store and download your favorite games. Following these steps ensures your account stays active and secure. This process is quick and keeps the community safe for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.